Okay, um, just show you how to do the program. So we need to turn on this one. First of all, you turn on your app and turn on your machine and connect with this machine. Supposed to be BLE something. Okay, but I'm not going to update right now. Just basically show you how to program the vehicle. So when you see this, okay, Range Rover. Make sure that's Range Rover. So if you check here and go here, program, create automatic, 1. It should be very, very easy. Okay, finish.